In the ancient time lived a little family. The family consists of father, mother, and a beautiful girl named Karlik. They are a harmonious and happy family. Despite his father worked as an ordinary merchant. One day, the happiness in this family was lost because the mother died. Karlik was very sad because she was very fond of her mother. Her father was also so sad because he loved his wife so much. After Karlik's mother died, her house was visited frequently by a widow who had a daughter named Onion. The widow often came with Onion to the Karlik's home by bringing food, helping to clean the house, and chatting with Karlik's father. Finally, the father thinks that he should marry the widow and met the widow as a new mother for Karlik. He asked for consideration of the proposal to Garlic after being allowed to get married by Garlic. Then her father immediately carried out the marriage. They become a new family and live in a house. At first, the mother and Onions behaved Garlic very well. However, the good behavior did not to be last long. Soon the Onion and her mother began to show their bad attitude. Garlic was often scolded and given heavy works when the father went to trade. She had to do a lot of housework, while the Onion just sit and did not work at all. However, the situation was never told by her to his father, so the Garlic continued to be treated badly by Onions and her mother.
One day, his father was sick and passed away. Since then, Garlic was treated worse than before. Garlic almost never had a break every day. In the morning, she had to get up in order to prepare breakfast and the water for Onion and her mother. Later, she also gave eating to the livestock, washing clothes, and even watering the entire garden. Although she should do so many works, she always did it happily. She hoped with such sincerely her mother would love her sincerely someday. One on the morning, Garlic went to a river to wash the clothes. She was so excited and washed vigorously. Because of getting too excited, she was not aware that there was a shirt that washed away. She realized that the shirt had been washed away when the flow carried it far enough. Later, she pushed but did not get the shirt. She felt hopeless and immediately went home. The shirt was her mother's favorite, of course. The mother was angry and told her to look for the shirt until she could find it. Garlic came back to the river and walked to the west to seek her mother's favorite shirt. She walked along the river up to tens of kilometers. After that, Garlic suddenly saw someone who was petting the buffalo in the river. She asked the man about the clothes were washed away. Later, she was informed that the shirt drifting and it was not far from where she was standing. At the moment, Garlic immediately ran down the river and found the shirt.
It was getting dark and the Garlic found a home. Because of completely exhausted, she decided to take a break in the house. Apparently, it housed an old lady who had previously found the shirt. The old lady wanted to return the shirt to her, but she should accompany the old lady during a week. She agreed to stay with the lady for a week. Within a week, she made the old lady to be so happy because she was diligent and never complained, even though felt so tired. After accompanying for a week, she was given a pumpkin as the gift. When opening it, she was very surprised because there were so much gold and games. She immediately went home and told the happening to her mother and also Onion. However, the gold and jewels that she got immediately seized, and she was forced to tell where the jewelry could be obtained. Garlic immediately said that she got it from an old lady who lived near the river. In the next day, Onion came to that house and stayed for a week like that Garlic did. However, because Onion was a lazy girl, the old lady gave a different pumpkin from Garlic. Onion did not care, and Onion immediately went home to open the pumpkin with her mother. Apparently, the content was not games or gold, but the venomous snake that bit off Onion and the mother. Both of them died because of their greed. After the happening, Garlic was living alone, but she was more calm and lived happily with its gold and games.